everybody, I'm Gaurav Saraswat, #1. So in this channel, Coding for Beginners, we learn about how to do coding, how to create apps, websites. We'll use many applications like Scratch, MIT App Inventor, and lots many. Okay, so first we'll begin. So first application which we are going to use is Scratch. Okay, so you have to search scratch.mit.edu. Okay, when you will open Scratch, imagine program, share. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. Okay, so let's open. Okay, this kind of web page will be opened when you will open. Okay, so you have to click on this and my profile. Okay, profile. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's came. Okay, now we have to go on this and we have my stuff. Then we have to click on my stuff. Okay, so here we have to click on create. Okay, for you this page will be blank as you must have not create any app, but I have created, so it is filled with projects. Okay, so let's begin. We'll create websites and we'll do lots of fun in Scratch also. We'll do animation Scratch, but today we are going to start with how it looks, how's design, where which thing we'll found, how to upload a sprite, and all these things we'll complete in this video. Okay, in this video basically we will complete motion, sound, and looks. Okay, okay, so here you can see this kind of screen will open. Okay, so here you can see this whole screen. Okay, here you can see this is a code one. Okay, in this you may see many options are there: motion, look, sound, event control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. Okay, so we'll do this also. Okay now, so first we'll come with this side. Okay, this side is basically a section where we can found in motion blocks, like we'll found something related to motions like this. Okay, so first we go with this. It is section. I told you this is where in section what all inside there is. Okay, here it is a uh, space where we can code, we can type all the code here, and then a program will work. Okay, rightmost we can see this white area. This white area is known as the stage. Okay, so here you can see there is a cat. Whichever character we choose in Scratch, it is known as the sprite. ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक वाला स्प्राइट नहीं है, मजाक नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये जो भी करेक्टर हम लेते हैं स्क्रैच में वो स्प्राइट कहलाता है। ओके ना, so down at we can see the sprite. We can rename the sprite. Let me put it a cat as it is a cat only. So here you can see there is written X and there is written Y. X is mainly the horizontal. Okay, this area like this, it is horizontal, and Y means the vertical. Okay, so how to get this sprite on a stage? How? Okay, so here you can see an animal is there. So you have it as choose a sprite. Okay, here we come choose a sprite. Next is paint a sprite, then surprise, then upload sprite. Okay, in choose a sprite when you click, there are many sprites which you will find, which okay, which are there, and how to insert a backdrop which make a program nice. Okay, so backdrop you have to click on this kind of image. Here is same process like the sprite one. Choose a backdrop, paint a backdrop, surprise, and upload a backdrop. Okay, so first today we will in this video we will cover motion, looks, and sound. Okay, motion, looks, and sound. Okay, so first of all we will go with motions. Okay, here's motion. When we come on motion, here you can see move 10 steps. Here you can see move 10 steps. Okay, we drag it and bring it here. Okay, Move 10 steps. What is basically means? It means our sprite will move 10 steps, but really it will not move 10 steps as we have not done the whole programming. It will move one step. Let me show you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I click it moving. Can you see? It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Okay. The next comes turn 15 degrees. Okay, let us try this. This turn 15 degrees means turning 15 degrees clockwise. Okay, let me show you. Oh no, no, no. Now it's being ulta. Okay. Okay. Now second is turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay. So now we have to put the cat straight. Okay. Oh, it's being. Now we have go to random position. What the random position means? मतलब कहीं भी, anywhere. Okay. When I do on random position, I click. It's going random. है ना? कहीं भी जा रही है मतलब अपने आप से. Okay. The next is go to x50 y minus 79. Okay, let's try this. Go to x50. As I have told you, x is the horizontal like this, horizontal, and the y means vertical. Okay, vertical. So if we put let my it is here. Okay, if my put my sprite here. Okay, and I click on it. See, it's coming on the actual position which I programmed here. Okay. Then we are coming back. Glide 1 second to random position. Okay, it's look interesting. Glide 1 second to a random position. मतलब कहीं भी चले जाएगी पर glide करके. Let me show you. कैसी कहीं भी जा रही है अपनी मर्जी से बट ग्लाइड करके नहीं जैसे कि डिसअपियर हो गया फिर अपीयर हुआ रैंडम पोजीशन पे ऐसा नहीं है इसमें ओके अब ये है ग्लाइड 1 second टू एक्स 9 y 101 ये सेम है बट ग्लाइड करके जाएगा वो डिसअपियर और अपीयर वाला नहीं है इसमें वो ग्लाइड करके जाएगा जैसे मैंने यहाँ पुट किया 3 2 1 ये देखिए ग्लाइड करके जा रहा है वहां पे ओके नाउ वी आर डूइंग ग्लाइड 1 second to 9 दिस वी हैव डन ओके पॉइंट इन डायरेक्शन 90 ये समझाने से पहले मैं अपनी स्क्रीन को स्टॉप करता हूँ और व्हाइट बोर्ड नहीं यही कर लेते हैं ना यहाँ पे ओके सो हियर वी आर डूइंग if suppose I make a box like wait please I make a box okay suppose it is a clock okay I like a square clock so it's nice okay now if I write here 12 it's 12 only here oh I have to decrease the size it's too large no oh no okay you do it as 12 only okay oh no let me do undo what's this you know so we are going on text it's 12 if I type 12 what comes to your mind there's a clock and we are looking at up okay up or in front okay 12 means this okay you understand 12 now we are having if I say 3 o'clock what 3 o'clock means it means we are looking at a right okay and if I type it here 6 o'clock okay 6 o'clock what you will understand by 6 o'clock down or back yes now and when I type here 9 o'clock okay I type 9 o'clock means your left okay this much everybody must be knowing okay now okay so now let me tell you if instead of that I written here 0 degree okay it is 0 degree 0 degree means the 12 o'clock okay you have to remember in your mind 0 degree means 12 o'clock if I write 3 o'clock 3 o'clock is equals to it's equal to oh no equals to yeah it's equals to yeah 90 it's equals to 90 okay if I done it let us do it 6 okay now 6 equals to 180 when I do 9 most of you will be saying that it should be with the mathematical okay but it is not like that this we will do with minus 90 okay 9 means minus 90 okay now we come back Let me erase this all. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. Now we take point in direction 90. 90 means tell in past and comment. 90 means right, you are right. 90 means the right side. Okay, you have to change. You have to click on this. If I done it, suppose I done it 12 means 0. So it means 12 o'clock. Okay. If I done it at my left 9 o'clock. Okay. It means minus 90. Here you can see. If I done it 6 o'clock, it means 180. Okay. I think you have understood the meaning of it. Okay. Now we are coming to point towards mouse pointer. Wherever my mouse pointer will be, there this sprite will be coming. Okay. Now next is change x by 10. Okay. I have told you this x and y, but I am telling you again. X. If I put this x as I want it, let me see some nice x. Okay. If I put it here, minus 93. Okay, I'm typing minus 93. Okay, 193 it is. Let me type it here. Minus 193. Okay, so if my cat is here. Okay, so how it will come at minus 93? Here you can see it has came here. Where it has gone, my cat? Where it has gone? Don't know. Yeah. Okay, you have understood this. Now we are having set x2. These all you will learn afterwards. Now if on edge bounce. Okay, I don't know where my cat has gone, so let me bring a new sprite. If I come right here, with sprite I must take a ball. It's fine. Okay, ball is fine. We must take a ball. Okay, it has came. We put if on edge bounce. Whenever it will go on edge, it will bounce. Okay, it is, see, if I do it here, see it's bouncing now. If I put it on edge, it's coming back, it's bouncing. Okay, this we will do afterwards. Now we are on looks. Okay, say hello for 2 seconds. This ball can't speak now, but yeah, in scratch we can imagine that this ball is also speaking. Say hello for 2 seconds. I put it here. Say hello for 2 seconds. See, it's saying hello for 2 seconds only. Yes, no? Okay, so hello for 2 seconds. If I can change also it, I done. My name is Gaurav. My name is Gaurav. Okay, I done. My name is Gaurav. Okay, see it will. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. My name is Gaurav. Ball, not your name is not Gaurav. My name is Gaurav. Okay. So now let us come on. Say hello. It doesn't have any time limit. Okay. In that we were saying that it has 2 seconds, but in this we can do no time limit. Okay. Think it's same as that. Switch costume to ball E. Ball E. Okay. Let us see. Switch costume to ball E. Before that, I want to tell you here is an option costume you must be seeing. If I click on costume, here you can see it's coming. And Bolly is purple. Okay, if I done it, yeah. Now I have to do it. Let us see. 3, 2, 1. I clicked. It changes its color. Okay. Now we are having next costume. Next costume is also, see, many costumes are being, you know. Okay. Now I switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Yeah, let's see. Backdrop 1. Like the way we have changed the sprite costume, like that we can change the backdrop also. Let me show you. Okay. I do it. I want to choose a backdrop. What we must take? Let us take this blue sky. Fine. Yeah, it's there. If I done its code, switch costume to no, switch backdrop to blue sky. It's already blue sky. I want to do it. Yeah, backdrop 1. See, it will be white. Okay. Now I'm doing backdrop blue sky, so it will be blue sky. Okay. Now we are coming on change color effect by 25, set color effect to 0, clear graphic effects. These all we'll learn in next video. Now we come on sounds. Okay. Play sound pop until done. Okay. Let us make a small program. Yeah. Okay. We must create. Now I have, oh, I'm on this. Let me take ball. And now if I take from here, move 10 steps. It's not coming. Okay, move 10 steps. Now we do it if on edge bounce. And we go on sounds and say, uh, play sound pop until done. Okay, let us see. 3, 2, 1. See, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Okay, see, it's bouncing, then came back. Yeah, it's look interesting. Now we are going to start sound pop. It has also no time limit. Means if we are playing a sound and we have to play another sound. Okay. So for that this program is being used. Stop all sound means जितनी भी sounds चलती हैं उन सबको बंद कर दो. अब हमें शांति चाहिए. Okay. Change pitch effect by 10. Set pitch effect to 100. Clear sound effects. Change volume by -10. Set volume to 100%. These all we will cover up in next video, as if for that we have to create a nice playing program in that this will work. Okay. Before that this video is boring now without any game. So we will play a nice game. Okay. I go and add. I typed here. Let us play Pac-Man. Okay. Pac-Man. Pac-Man, yay! Let's play Pac-Man. Yeah, it's coming play. Okay, you must also try it at your home, in your laptop, in your mobile. Okay, anything. Okay, let's try. Yay, yay! I have to be safe from them. Oh no 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 no! I have to be safe, 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 safe. No no no, no 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 no. Oh no! I lose up. I'm not better in this game. You must be better. You may also play. Okay, let us try once more. Oh no no no, where it's going? Oh, run 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 run! The police coming! Run 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 run! The police is coming! Yeah, we have to run 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 run! We will take all these property. Okay, like this you can also play. Yeah, I done! I can win this! Oh no, I'm not good in this game. Okay, so you can also play at your home. Okay. Now me not let us close this. This is all for today. We'll meet in next video. In next video, we'll cover up more and more, and we'll have one more game. Okay. Then bye for today.